Now, I know we've already gone over a ton, so let's do a quick review. In order to send Ethereum or whatever native blockchain token with a function, you need to mark it as payable. If you need something in your contract to happen and you want the whole transaction to fail if that doesn't happen, you can use a require statement. To get the Ethereum or native blockchain token value of a transaction, you can use the global keyword message.value. Chainlink is a technology for getting external data and doing external computation in a decentralized context for our smart contracts. Chainlink data feeds or price feeds are ways to read pricing information or other pieces of data from the real world that's already aggregated and decentralized for us. Chainlink VRF is a way to get provably random numbers from the real world into our smart contracts. Chainlink keepers are a way to do decentralized event-driven computation. We can set some trigger, say, if this trigger hits, do something. And we get to define what the trigger is and what the do something is. Chainlink Any APIs is the ultimate customization of Chainlink nodes and allows us to connect to anything on the planet. To make this one production ready, we have to do the most work because it doesn't come already with a decentralized Oracle network like Chainlink keepers and price feeds. We'll learn more about these Chainlink services as we continue in this course.